Welcome to BitNasdaq, your gateway to the world of digital assets. In this guide, we'll show you how to instantly buy BNQ tokens on the BitNasdaq cryptocurrency platform. Let's get started. First, make sure you have USDT in your spot wallet. Log into your BitNasdaq account. Navigate to the Buy BNQ option in the header. Initiate the purchase by clicking the Buy BNQ button. You'll be redirected to a dedicated BNQ page, providing you with detailed information about the token's utility, users, and key benefits. Specify the amount of USDT you wish to spend. The platform will then calculate the corresponding amount of BNQ tokens. Review the final transcript for conversion accuracy. Click the Confirm button to complete the transaction. Complete the 2FA steps if required for added security. And there you have it, BNQ tokens bought simply and securely on BitNasdaq. Explore the exciting world of digital assets with BitNasdaq, where buying and trading cryptocurrencies is made easy for everyone.